Hello, lovelies. Have you ever tried to figure out how to get this in the market, but you don't know how to get it? So today's tutorial is going to show you how to use this boning to make this boning wire. It's very easy and is a DIY and fashion hack. It's a bit stressful, but well, very easy to achieve. So come along, guys. Let's begin. To begin this, I went ahead and I bought this boning for our corset, normal corset. And I was like, what is the deal behind this? Like, I saw something online and I was like, oh, I want my people on YouTube, my lovely subscribers, to be able to know how to achieve this beautiful fashion hack. So I went ahead and I tried it. Okay, can you see what I'm doing? I got it and I don't have razor blade, but I had scissors, so I wanted to just try it. It was really a trial and error process. So you see, I just went ahead and I cut a little place of it. And okay, sorry guys, I had to zoom it so that you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So I just cut a little and I was trying it out because I wanted to see how it's going to be. So I just decided to use my scissors and do the normal initiative. Now let's try and see if this thing will even work safe, because I saw it online. Why don't I try making it? And because I went to the market and I realized that I could not find the boning wire in the market that I went to. And I wanted to do a tutorial. That will be next week. I'm going to show you how I am going to use this boning wire to do a design, and how you can also do that for yourself. Now, for those of you who are into fashion designing and you'll be wondering how they achieve some styles, I'm going to talk about that next week. So take your scissors and just take your time and cut it round. Okay, so that was what I did, and I don't want it to be too much because this tutorial purpose, right? Most of the things I do here are just for tutorial purposes, and I won't be using them except a client makes another. Now, so I just went ahead and I cut out some parts which we'll be using for another tutorial later. And I just continue cutting it out. So have you ever tried getting this boning wire and you'll be wondering how did they achieve some of these styles? So beautiful structure, sleeve, structure, design. How do they do that? Well, here's the genesis of the styles, right? This is how most of them do it. They hack it, but sometimes you can easily just get the bunny wire. But I'm still going to research. Anyway, I find the bunny wire, I'm going to post it for you guys on the community post. So I just went ahead and I cut it. See how long it is cutting it. So drop a comment section if this tutorial was helpful, and if you find it really interesting, drop it on the comment section. Let me know, guys. And I'm done cutting it out. It's time to start bringing out the wire. Now, for each boning that you have, you get almost 8 wires inside. That was what I noticed. For each boning you get like 8 wires inside. It was like, oh my goodness, I tried looking for this thing and I could easily just buy the entire boning row and get these wires. And a yard of boning is, I think, 300. A yard of boning is 300. So if you want to make a design, you can easily just get like 5 6 yards of boning and you get the boning wire and you make the design. So see how easy it is. Can you see it? It's very easy. All you have to do is just cut the edges and you just start bringing it out. It takes time, but when you are done doing this, you have to charge your client, right? So it's not something that you do you won't charge. You have to charge your client and tell them that, well, this job has work, so you have to pay. So this is it. This is how I I act this bunny to get my bunny wire. So guys, was this tutorial helpful? Huh? Let me know. Drop it on the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please, it's absolutely free. Just like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This way, we'll be able to reach more people. Okay, let's hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Okay, guys, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And our next week tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the bony to make structure, the bony wire, sorry, to make structure design. So, guys, mm, well, the last part was me just playing with myself, and it was just funny how I was doing it. It's as you see if I'm trying to lose a gathered stitch, right? So it was very easy and funny uh, method. But well, I'm done. So this is it, right? I've gotten all the bony wire that I needed, and these are the rough part. I have to just take it out and clean my table. So this is it. Can you see this is the wire, guys? And I got like 8 pieces from just one bony that I used. I got like 8 pieces of bony wire. So you have to now, maybe you are making a long dress and you are trying to figure out, so you have to get like 6 to 7 yards, and you get 8 pieces from that 6 to 7 yards. Do you know how long that will be? And you can now use that one to design the cloth you are trying to design. Okay, so on our next tutorial, I'm going to talk more of the designs, and this is it, guys. You can use it to make your beautiful outfits, structure sleeve, structure design, and well, anything you want to do with your bony wire. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. I'm just going to put a music with it, and well, that's it for it. That is it for now, guys. Next week I'll be showing you how I'm going to use this bony wire to make a structured sleeve. Okay, so remember, you cut the two sides, the two edges, or you just cut one, and you'll be able to do it. It's very easy. If you cut the edges, you are good to go. So bye, have a lovely day. Bye bye, guys.